kiddos! In this video, I am going to be doing today's science lesson with you. So if you open up your science book and turn to page 380, and we will begin. Using our magic reading fingers, please follow along as I read. In full force. What makes the wagon move? The girl gives it a push. A push moves an object away from you. The boy gives the wagon a pull. A pull moves an object closer to you. Pushes and pulls are forces. A force makes an object move or stop moving. When the girl and the boy push and pull the wagon, it starts to move. So in this box, it says draw yourself pushing something. You can push a button, you can push a wagon, you can push a stroller, you can push a cart, you can push a swing. Draw a picture of yourself pushing something. And over here, draw a picture of yourself pulling something. You can pull a string or a rope. You can pull the blinds to raise them up. You can pull the wagon. You could maybe pull your brother or sister on a skateboard. You could pull a rope. You decide. Draw a picture of yourself pulling something. And then it says, find the sentence that tells the meaning of force and draw a line under it. So where we see force highlighted, that's the sentence that tells the meaning of force. So you can underline a force makes an object move or stop moving. So go ahead and pause the video. Draw yourself pushing something here. Draw yourself pulling something there. Underline the definition of force. And then unpause and we'll move on to the next page. All right, using force. Look at the pictures. How does a force move a ball? A force can change the way an object moves, and it can change the ball's speed or direction. Changing speed. A force can change an object's speed. It can make something start moving or stop moving. It can make something go faster or move slowly. So what is going to happen to the ball? You can kick a ball to make it start moving or go faster. So if this person kicks that ball, what will happen to the ball? Will it stay where it's at or will it move? If you think it will move, you're correct. So on this line, it will move. You can catch a ball, and catching a ball is a force that stops it. The ball is in motion, and once you catch it in your hand, that motion stops. So that's another force that stops. So here it says, describe how the motion of the car changes. All right, so in picture one, and I'm going to grab my picture so that I can see it up close a little bit better. In picture one, we see the, looks like they are sitting flat and maybe the parents are pushing them. In two, it looks like they're moving, and then in three, it looks like they've come to flat ground and they've stopped again. So the car, once they get a push, it starts moving, and then when they hit that flat ground, they stop. Okay? So go ahead and fill those in, and then we'll go on to the next page. What is your position? Look at the pictures. The things are moving up and down. They are moving in and out. Position words tell where something is. Some position words are in, out, up, down, left, and right. A force can move something to a new position. So a position is where something is located, which if we think about, we learned about prepositions in language arts, and we know that a preposition tells us where something is, on the desk, under the table, around the corner. Those are our position words in science. So we have up, down, in, out, a step in the right direction. Think about pushing a friend on a swing. Your friend moves away from you and then comes back. Force can move things towards you and away from you. A force can change the direction of an object. So tell how the direction of this swing changes. Well, that's easy. It moves forward when you push it, and then it moves backward when it comes towards you. So it moves back and forth. Okay? All right. What makes a coaster move? Roller coasters are fun. They go up and down, fast and slow, around, and people on the ride might yell as they change speed and direction. What makes the coaster move? Well, a motor pulls a chain, and the chain pulls the car up the first hill, and then gravity, which is the force that pulls something down, pulls it towards the earth. So what pulls the car down the hill? On this line, you're going to write gravity. And gravity is that word right there, Gravity. Gravity is the force that keeps us on the ground. If we didn't have gravity, we would all float like in outer space. And so gravity is the force that when you let go of something and it falls, it's gravity that's pulling it down. Okay? So to sum it up, it says, write the word that solves the riddle. I move a box when it is full. I can be a push or a pull. What am I? If you said force, F-O-R-C-E, you are correct. 2, forces can change objects. Circle the words that tell the kinds of changes. They can change speed. Can they change the color? No, a force won't change the color. Can they change the size? No. Can they change the direction? Yeah, they can change which way it's going. Can they change the shape? No. So write push or pull to label each picture. Here, it looks like he's pulling the rope, so you can write P-U-L-L, pull. And here it looks like he's pushing the box, so you can write P-U-S-H, push. And on the brain check, which is one of the pages you'll be turning into me today, we're going to use these words to fill in the letter. So it says, Dear Jen, we moved into our new house. My dad drove the moving truck. He made sure the blank of the truck was not too fast. What would we not want to be too fast? If you said speed, you are correct. So you can pause the video and write speed on that first line. Moving is hard. I had to blank boxes all day. Would you push boxes, force boxes, or pull boxes? Push boxes, P-U-S-H. Good job. It took a huge blank to move my box of toys. It took a huge force. Good job. F-O-R-C-E. If you need to pause and write those, go ahead and you can unpause. My dad had to blank it while my brother pushed. Pull. Good job. P-U-L-L. Your friend Amy. So if you need to pause or back up or take some time to get that done, go ahead and then turn the page. The last page. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. The last page is this apply concepts page, okay? It says complete the chart and write a word on each line. So force moves a blank. Force makes a wagon go. Force pushes a swing blank from you. Force moves a book to a new blank on a shelf. So we're going to write a word on each line. So force moves a, pick a word you want to put there. What does force move? Okay, you can say force makes a wagon go forward. Force makes a wagon go fast. Force makes a wagon go slow. You decide. Force pushes a swing away from you. And force moves a book to a new spot or a new place on a shelf. Okay? When you are finished filling in those blanks, take a picture of both sides of that brain check page and upload it for me onto Class Dojo. I look forward to seeing it, boys and girls. Have a great afternoon. Bye.